Hi everyone, this is Ada. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Fendi unboxing. I got a new handbag for my birthday. I'm so excited. My birthday was a couple of days ago, so I've waited to, well, I've been pulling this bag in and out, but I've been waiting to show everyone. We're going out tonight for a birthday dinner with the kids. But my birthday was amazing. Peter took me into the city. I'd made an appointment with Fendi and end up buying my first Fendi bag, and they also gave me a gift for my birthday. I don't know what's in this. They surprised me, so I'm going to unbox that as well. So which one should I do first? I just want to mention before I unbox it that a shout out to the lovely ladies at Fendi. First I had Sophia. I'd gone in the week before. I was looking at bags. She was lovely, but it was Sophia's day off on the Tuesday, and I saw what's her name? Got a card down here, Rita, which is a store manager. So if you want to buy a Fendi bag in Brisbane, go and see either of those girls. They're lovely. Okay, let's do the bag first. Obviously my first Fendi, haven't got the big yellow bag yet. Fendi Roma, it's an Italian brand, obviously has the ribbon here. And let's just get it out before I just explain a bit. As I said, I've been pulling it in and out because I couldn't help it. I was just so excited. When I went in, so I had a certain budget I wanted to stay under. I actually looked at Louis Vuitton. I looked at the Alma BB bag with the strap. But I was really after a brightly coloured bag because I have so many handbags. I'm a handbag lover, a handbag addict, whatever you call it. I'm only probably buying 1 or 2 bags a year now. I'm trying to be more sensible with my money, but I do have a love of handbags. And so because I've got so many other handbags and so many different brands, black bags and sensible coloured bags, let's just say, I wanted a brightly coloured bag. I love red. I have a couple of red bags, so that was out. I was looking at the Fendi. There was a yellow baguette. There was a green colour that they sold out. So let's just get on with it. So the box, it's all messy because I keep taking it out. Obviously came like that, very nicely wrapped. And this, let me just put that over here. And I think this was the card. Is it the care card? Yeah, this is just the care card. So let's get rid of that. So here she is, nice dust bag. These are sort of suede, sort of leather sort of straps. Ta-da! I got, you can see, hot pink. The fluoro, I'm going to call her hot pink, but she's like a fluoro pink bag. And I love her. She's just so beautiful. She bought out a couple of bags and then she bought this one over. I was like, yes, that's it. So this is the baguette in the calf leather, and what I love about it, the calf leather is a bit more, it's still soft, but it's probably just a fraction bit more structured than the lambskin, and it obviously hasn't got the double Fs like a lot of the baguette lambskin bags do. And what I love about this obviously is the colour. It just speaks to my heart. I just love her. Is I like the lime stitching here. Sorry, Belle wants, are you going to get up, Belle? Come on, don't forget. The lime stitching, which is just beautiful. So I don't know whether you can see the lime stitching. Maybe I'll get a picture close up. So let's just open her. That's what she looks like inside. Oh, she's just lovely. I love that lighter pink as well. I'm gonna put that there, Belle. Obviously she has the beautiful strap as well. And because I don't know a lot about Fendi, this is a real, I know, really exciting for me with the little whatever that's called. Let me see, what does it say? It's just got the baguette Roma. I don't know if there's actually the colour on that because I can't actually understand what the words are or what they're trying to say, but that is just the authenticity card. And apparently by looking at a lot of other videos I've seen there is a number in there, I think, or has it got a number? Let me just see. Yeah, I have to have a better look, but there is a tag in there. So let's just put this on. I can actually use this bag when I go out now. And I think I'll get, obviously it's not an everyday bag because of the colour, but I think I'll be able to style it with quite a few outfits in my wardrobe. I'm a colour girl, so this to me is just beautiful. All right, so that's her. She's obviously got the longest strap. She's got the little one which you can hold, and then the one that goes over the shoulder. I did try it on. I might put some modelling shots after this. I'll also insert some pictures of my birthday dinner. We actually went to Jellyfish, which is a restaurant in Brisbane, after we bought the bag. Had a couple of champagnes at a bar before we, at J Buddha, before we went to Jellyfish. But let's do this unboxing of this other gift. So she just gave this to me from the kindness of her heart. So exciting, and because I think it was my first Fendi buy. So it comes in this little box. I haven't opened this. I've looked at my bag, as I said, the last couple of days, but I have been very good and not looked at this. So let's just slide this off. See if we can. Oh, amazing. So, I just don't want to break it. I think it is a little like container to put your jewelry in. How gorgeous is that? You can put your earrings in, your necklaces, brooches. That is just beautiful. Oh my God, thank you ladies. Thank you from Fendi for that. That's just another special gift that I will treasure. When I look at my bag, I can look at my first little present from Fendi. So I will just do some modelling shots to show you what she looks like. But as I said, if you're in Brisbane, go into the store and say hello to Sophia and Rita. But that's my birthday unboxing, and don't forget everyone, Ada Love Style. See you again next time. Bye.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you wanted me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Now you got me dropping my wallet.
Yeah, drop your wallet.
Yeah.
As long as you pay for my bag, that's the main
Oh,
thing.
absolutely. No.
Drinks for my birthday, yay! Prosecco and white wine, please.
Yeah, just a sec block.
Going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you wanted me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
If you like this video, please subscribe, push like, and follow me on Instagram. And don't forget everyone, Ada Love Style. See you again next time. Bye.